All right, today I'm going to show you how to make Oat Bran in the microwave. So I have Bob's Red Mill High Fiber Oat Bran Hot Cereal. It says our Oat Bran Hot Cereal is carefully mixed from top quality oats. The creamy, soothing texture and pleasantly nutty flavor are remarkably satisfying, so they say. This is what the Oat Bran looks like. I'm going to be making this quick and easy. So on the back right here, it actually has instructions. It says combine 1/3 cup of Oat Bran cereal. So I'm going to go ahead and get my 1/3 cup. This is 1/4. This is 1/3. All right, so I have 1/3 cup. So I'm going to go ahead and go inside of this right here. I'll have it off like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of the bowl. Once I have it in the bowl, I'm going to put it right there. Let's go back on the... It says combine, oh, that's slow cooker instructions. And then put 1 cup of water and a pinch of salt. So now I'm going to go ahead and get 1 cup of water, or water, as we say in France. I'm going to get 1 cup of water. And I'm going to pour 1 cup of water inside of the bowl. All right, and then after you do that, you're going to take a pinch of salt. Okay, so I'm going to get some salt. Can't just pinch the bottle, I'll have to get it out. All right, so I have some salt. I'm going to get a pinch of salt and put it in there. All right, so now I have all of this in here. I'm just going to go ahead. It says stir well. So I'm going to stir it well. And then next, I'm going to microwave on high for 2 minutes. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm putting it in the microwave right there. And it says microwave on high for 2 minutes. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to press 2, 0, 0, start. All right, after 2 minutes, you'll want to go ahead and get the bowl. Now, what I've noticed is that use some oven mitts to get this out. The bowl can be hot. And what I've noticed is that perhaps 1 minute, 30 seconds or 1 minute to 45 seconds actually can do the job and prevent this from happening right here. You see how it boils over just a little bit. So you might want to reduce the time to about 1 minute 45 or 1 minute 30 to prevent that from happening. But when you sit it on the counter, it should be done. You can just take your spoon and just stir it pretty well. You can add, if it's too thick, sometimes I'll add a little bit more water before I put it in the microwave. Or if it's too thin, maybe I'll add a little bit less. No, hold on. Yeah, I'll add a little bit less. And then afterwards, you can just top it off with maybe a little bit of milk, some sugar, some butter, some cinnamon, whatever you want to put in it. And that is how you make high fiber Oat Bran hot cereal. This is Bob's Red Mill. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.